Hello students, this video is about exponent chapter which is there in class 8 maths. Okay. So first of all we discuss what is by exponents. So I will explain you what is exponent now. When a number is multiplied again and again itself, then it is in the form of written in the form of exponential form. Okay. Exponential or power rotation form. So let's see how it is. Okay. So here, for example, 4 into 4 into 4. How many times you written here 4? 3 times. So 4 into 4 equal to 4 into 4 to the power 3. So in this case, 4 to the power 3 means 3 is called exponent, and 4 is called base. Okay, so if a number is multiplied itself again and again, it is written in the form of exponential form. This form is called exponential form, and here the power is called exponent, and the base is called base. So 4 is base here, and 3 is exponent here. Okay, let's see more example. 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6 to the power 3. So here we see that 5 is an integer and 6 also an integer, and its power is 3. That means 5 upon 6 is a rational number, and it is multiplied how many times? 3 times. We can write like this. So 5 upon 6 into 5 upon 6 into 5 upon 6. 3 times you are writing. So what is the answer now? 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125 upon 6 is 30, 36, 36 is 216. Okay. Now let's see more examples. One example is in here, minus 3 upon 2 to the power 5. So here we see that a rational number minus 3 upon 2 and its power is 5. So how many times? Minus 3 upon 2, 5 times. So minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2 of 1, 2, 3, 4, one more time, minus 3 upon 2. So we can write like this, minus 3 to the power, how many times? 5 upon 2 to the power 5. Okay, so here minus 3 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5. So minus 3, how many times? 5 times. So 3 are 15. How much the answer will come in here? To minus 243. Minus 243 upon 2 to the power 5, how much? 32. So one more concept here. How we know that if more power is there, we cannot. How we know that the answer will be in minus or plus? So the one rule is there. If the power each, the exponent is in the odd number, then answer will be minus. If the exponent will be the positive number, means even number, the answer will be plus. Let's see one more example. Minus 2 to the power 4. So here we see that the power is even number. So answer will come here plus. So 2 to the power minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. What is to the 4? 4 to the 8 to the 16. And if we write here minus 2 to the power 5, the answer will come minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. How many times? 5 times. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, 16 to the 32. The answer will come minus 32. Because the power or exponent is your odd number, the answer will come minus or negative. And if the power or exponent is positive, the answer will come positive. Okay. So again I am reminding, so what we discussed, even power, the answer will come positive answer, and odd power, the answer will come negative answer. Next turn to the concept, express in power notation. How you represent a rational number or fraction in power notation form. So let's see one example, 16 upon 81. So here we know that 16, the factors of 16 are 2. So 2 we can write how many times? 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the say 8, 8 to the 16. So how many times 2? 4 times 2 upon how much? 3 how many times? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 how many times? 4 times 3. So you can write, because it is a 4 times, 2 to the power 4, and here 3 how many times? 4 times, so 3 to the power 4. So this is the power rotation form. Here power of exponent is 4 here also 4. So finally you can write 2 upon 3 to the power 4. So this is in the power rotation form. Let's see one more example. Minus 1 upon 243. As you will see that 243, we can express 243 like this. 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3. So it is 243. And minus 1 you can write how many times? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 into minus 1. So how many times minus 1? There are 5 times minus 1 upon 3 times 3 into 5 times 3. So here we can write minus 1 upon how much? 5 upon 3 to the power 5. As you know that if the power is negative number, the answer will come negative. So here the power is negative, here 5, and here the power is also negative odd number. If power is odd number, the answer will come negative, and if power is even number, the answer will come positive. So minus 1 upon 3 to the power 5 is in the power rotation form. Okay. Okay, let's solve one question on this exponent chapter. The question is given: simplify a to the power 6 minus b plus 1 to the power 3 when a value is given 1 upon 2 and b value is given minus 3 upon 4. So let's solve it. So put the value of a and b in this equation. So here equal to a is 1 upon 2 to the power 6 minus b is on minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 to the power 3. So here we see that 1 upon 2 to the power 6. So we can write 1 to the power 6 how much? 1, and 2 to the power 6 how much? It is 64. So directly writing 2 times, how many times? 6 times 2 equal to 64 minus. Now solve this one. This one is plus 1 here. So here we see that 4 and 1. Denominator nothing is there, means 1 is there. So 4, 1 LCM is 4. 4 divided 4 is 1. 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3. Then plus 4 divided 1 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Okay. Now what is the power here? 3 equal to 1 upon 64 minus 3 plus 4. The answer will become 1 upon 4 to the power 3. So again 1 upon 64 minus 1 to the power 3 becomes 1, and 4 means 1 to the power 3 means 1 into 1 into 1, and 4 to the power 3 you can write 4 into 4 into 4. So what is the answer now? Equal to 1 upon 64 minus 1 upon 64, because 4 into 4 into 4 will become 64. So 1 upon 64 minus 1 upon 64, the answer will become 0. Like that, we can simplify more problems in this chapter of exponents. Okay. Now let's solve one more question. Find the value of minus 2 to the power 5 divided by minus 1 upon 3 to the power 4. So here it is written that the power is 5 here. We can write minus 2 to the power 5 upon minus 1 upon 3 to the power 4. And here again you can write minus to the power 5 like this: minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 into minus 2. 1 more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. And again here minus 1. We can write here minus 1. How many times? 4 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 upon minus 3 into into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 equal to, so it is, you see here the power is odd number, so the answer will come in negative. So to how many, to 5 times 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 to the 32. I can write here 32. How much? Minus 32. I can write here because the power is a odd number, the answer will come negative. So minus 32 upon, what is the answer here? Minus 1 into minus 8. This is a even number, power is even number, the answer will come plus. So 1 upon how much? 3 to the power 4 will be how much? It is 9 3 27 3 81. I can write 81 here. So minus 32 upon 1 upon 81, that will be minus 32 into 81. Okay, because 1 is multiplied here, 1 upon 81 will multiplied, it will be reciprocal. So minus 32 into 81. What is the answer now? Minus 2592. 2592 is the answer. When you multiply, because it is a negative number, negative and positive, the negative answer will come. Then 32 into 81 will be 2592. Okay.